Only one person get this right. Minus 4 times minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus, and inside the parentheses minus 6. Okay, minus 4 times minus 3 divided by minus 3 equals minus 1, right? And plus and minus plus 6. Now minus 4 times minus 1. Minus 4 times minus 1 equals minus 4 plus 6. Now minus 4 plus 6 equals 2. Minus plus minus, so 2. But this is wrong. Why? Because minus and minus equals plus. Same sign plus, different sign minus. So minus 3 divided by minus 3 equals, at minus 1 equals 1, right? So minus 4 times minus 3 divided by minus 3 equals 1. Minus minus plus. So plus and minus. Plus minus minus. So minus 6. Now minus 4 and times 1 minus 6. So minus 4 times 1 equals minus 4, right? And minus 6. Now here is minus and here is minus. So minus 4 and minus 6 equals 10. But keep the negative sign.